Today I'm going to be demonstrating to you how to install a pressure reducing valve. So we have two different pressure reducing valve designs. This is one of them. So you'll find this included in your system. Most oftentimes this is already pre-assembled into your EasyFeed fitting. Just to show you how to assemble this. So traditionally your EasyFeed and valve are screwed together just like this. This essentially just comes into the middle. You'll see there's a flow direction. So this screws into your EasyFeed hole on the one side and into your valve on the other side. So we start by using a little bit of thread tape. Most systems have some thread tape that's already included. We then wrap it around the pressure reducing valve. Typically we're going to, depending on the thickness of the thread tape, you'll do 5 to 10 turns. Usually you'll find if you've added too much thread tape, the thread tape will bunch up around your fitting and it won't seal correctly. So you can then just very easily turn this into your EasyFeed fitting, just like that. Then on the other side we have the valve. You do exactly the same with the valve. You can add a little bit more thread tape to the valve to make sure that it seals correctly. And then just simply screw this into this end of your fitting. There we go. So once that's all screwed in and it's tight, you can then connect this. We need to can install this underneath the counter for your system, and we do recommend testing it before connecting the rest of your system, just for leaks. If you do find that your system is leaking, you just need to add, usually on the side, either a little bit less thread tape if it's bunching up, or a little bit more on the side if you do find a leak.